Okay, then look at the page 61. So we want to cover a few more examples, but this time no more radical expression. We will do the rational exponent expression. So look at b, please. If you look at the b, then you will get 64 to the 1/3 power. So this means in order to simplify this expression, then you need to prime factorizing this number first. So 64 means what times what? Yeah, 8 times 8. And then this become 4 times 2 and 2 times 2. So 4 times 2 and 2 times 2. So you can rewrite this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 64 means 2 to the 6th power, and that to the 1/3 power. Now you know that the property a to the m times n and to the n equal to a to the mn. Therefore, this becomes 2 to the 6 times 1/3. So it is going to be 2 to the 6/3, which means 2 to the square power. So answer become 4. Okay, another example, maybe h. H is 125 over 64 to the 1/3 power. Even though this is a fraction form, we do exactly the same thing. And then we also want to apply the property a to the a over b to the r equal to a to the r over b to the r. So you distribute first and become 125 to the 1/3 power over 64 to the 1/3 power. Next step, prime factorization of each number. So 125 means 5 times 25. 25 means 5 times 5, and 64 8 times 8, 2 times 4, and 2 times 2, 2 times 4, and 2 times 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can rewrite this 5 cubed to the 1/3 over 2/6 to the 1/3. And then you apply this property one more time. Then this is going to be 5 to the 3 times 1/3 over 2 to the 6 times 1/3. So 5 to the 3/3 over 2 to the 6/3. So it is 5 to the 1 power over 2 to the square power. So answer become 5 over 4. So look at the page 62. Then you see the question is a little bit harder. So let's look at C first. Then 16 to the 3/4 power. Even so, you are doing exactly the same step what I shown before. So step 1, prime factorizing this number. Okay, so 16 means 4 times 4, 2 times 2, and 2 times 2. So this is going to be 2 to the 4th power to the 3/4 power. So 2 to the 4 times 3/4 power. So which is 2 to the cube power because they cancelled out. So it becomes 8. That should be the answer. What about somehow we have this kind of expression like j 25 to the 1/2 power plus 27 to the 2/3 power. Still same, but we are doing each one different step here. So finding those two numbers, prime factorization. So 25 means 5 times 5 27 means 9 times 3 and 3 times 3 here. So this is going to be 5 squared to the 1 over 2 power plus 3 cubed to the 2 third power. Therefore this become 5 plus 3 squared, which is 5 plus 9 equal to 14. Okay?